What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Najilla, and we're starting off 2022 off strong. Like I said in the last video, if you guys haven't watched it, I'll put it up here in the card so you guys can go watch it. I don't know if it's here or here, but it's somewhere there. Now, happy new year to everybody. Thank you guys. We already got 5 subs on the channel, and I posted that video late night, and I was debating if putting it or not because it was late at night. I was like, oh, in my head, I was like, they're probably sleeping, nobody's gonna be able to watch it, nothing like that. So I think I decided I'm gonna start posting videos every time I upload at like around 5 o'clock. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time we post a new video. And yeah, before we get started, let's hit the like button for the algorithm and subscribe down below, join the family, and let's grow. Today's topic, like you saw the title, these are going to be the 5 best things to do in 2022 side hustles. Here we go. Now, number 1, sell anything you don't use no more from 2021, like shoes, clothes, electronics, etc., etc. Anything you don't use at all no more for 2021, you can sell it. You can put it in websites like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, eBay, Mercari, and another few that you can use as well. Oh, Craigslist. I don't know if it's still working. I haven't used that in a long time, but my main two is always Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. You can do that too. Give it a try, guys. Make some money real quick in 2022. Let's go. Number 2, you can also flip items. Like I done these 2 things. I actually tried this. Flipping couches. I used to buy couches for like $300 brand new and resell them for $600 profit. I think my last one I sold was like $1,100, and I went to deliver it, and all I had to do was deliver and put the feet in the bottom of the couches, and that's it. It wasn't a hard job. Also, I bought beds. That was a little bit more time consuming. It took me like almost 2 hours to build a bed, a king size bed. You got to put all the wood, all the woods together, screw it on, and I was doing everything with a screwdriver. If I would have known, I thought it was gonna be easier, I should have took a drill, but I learned from it. The second time was much easier for me, and my brother helped me. I paid him $50 to go with me because I couldn't do it myself. Now, also you can buy pallets. I used to buy pallets from Liquidation. It's here in Vegas. I don't know where you're from. You can go search online for pallets, wholesale pallets like that, and search it up. You can buy pallets for the low of $100 to $300 or whatever price range you guys want, and you can make a profit. For example, like the first one I bought because I wanted to give it a try. I didn't want to spend too much money, so I bought a $100 pallet. It came with like strollers, baby car seats, diapers, some tents, 2 wheelchairs, and the wheelchairs I sold them each for like $80, right? But it is a little time consuming. So backstory to that, I made a profit of $165, I think it was, for that first pallet, right? Now the second pallet I bought was for $150, and it was like 32 items. And again, since the first pallet was stuff with kids, I did the same thing for the second pallet. This one came with like what's it called, diapers. I don't know what it came with. Diapers, but the bag was ripped. It came with the little how do you call those, the little things where kids can breathe, car seats, and etc., bottles, stuff to clean the bottles, and etc. On the second one I didn't make as much because I think the first one that helped me was the 2 wheelchairs, and I only made $135 dollars of profit on that one. So, but like I said, it's time consuming. You got a list of products either on OfferUp, Marketplace, or on your socials. And I used to do yard sales too, so that helps out a little bit. But like I said, it's time consuming, and I'm a truck driver. I work 10, 12, sometimes 13, 14 hours a day, and I didn't have too much time. Sometimes I will be at work and people will be calling me, oh, can I see this? I tell my mother-in-law, my wife to show them and stuff like that. So if you have time, you can hop on that. Now the third side hustle you can do for 2022 is going to be, you have a car? You want to be your own boss? Well, there you go. If the answer is yes, you can do Uber Eats, you can do DoorDash. You can go pick up food that the people ordered, pick it up, take it to them. You receive a base salary from DoorDash and Uber Eats, and you also get tips. So the better you talk and the good customer service you have to the client, you will get a better tip. That's number 3. Now number 4, you guys can do what I'm doing right now. It's starting a YouTube channel. You got any skills? You like to cook? You like to do fitness? You can give advice, unbox new tech you buy. You can do a lot of stuff. Whatever you're good at and you already do, you can pick up a camera and start recording. You don't need a big camera. You can only record on your phone to get started. Come on, guys, let's do that. Now, you don't have to have a big subscription on YouTube or a big audience or nothing like that. All you need to do is go and apply at Amazon for affiliate links and put all those products you're using on your videos or products you like, put it on the description, all the affiliate links. And if anybody that's watching this video buys from those links, you get a commission. You know what I'm saying? You get a little cut, and that helps out a lot. There's a lot of YouTubers that make a lot of money off affiliate links. I can guarantee you that, because every time they're using something, like for example, I bought this on Amazon. 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 Anything that's here, if I want to put it on affiliate links down below in the description, and you guys go check it out because you guys liked it, and you guys click on it, and you guys purchase under that link, or anything else you guys purchase, I get a cut from that, which I'm going to be applying like right now, right after this video. I'm going to be applying to put the links in the description. Now, number 5. I know what you're thinking. This is going to be funny. OnlyFans. No, I know what you're thinking. No nudes and nothing like that. You put bikini photos and lingerie photos on Instagram, right? Well, stop putting them on Instagram. Get paid for them. Put them on OnlyFans and charge for those photos. And I guarantee you will make a couple thousand a month. Now, is your feet cute? All you have to do, wash your feet, paint your toenails, upload a photo to OnlyFans. I heard a lot of good things about feet pictures that make a lot of money too. Guys, those are my quick side hustles for 2022. I recommend you should try them out. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. Try them out. If they don't work, make a couple $100 a day, couple thousand a month. It's up to you guys. Well, if you guys lasted all the way to the end, guys, I appreciate it so much. Drop a like if you like the video. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, and let's grow. We'll see you guys next time. Notzilla, I'm out.